They were a really important step because they kind of set the stage for what came next,
Which
was
did?
machine learning.
Ah, yes. Machine learning.
Yeah, this is where things started to get really interesting because instead of trying to explicitly program every single rule into a computer,
Right.
we started to develop algorithms that could actually learn from data.
Almost like we do.
Exactly. So,
Yeah.
you feed a machine learning algorithm a bunch of data and it starts to identify patterns
Okay.
and make predictions.
And that brings us to deep learning,
Yes, deep learning.
which is kind of like the hot new kid on the block.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So deep learning is a subset of machine learning
Okay.
that uses these artificial neural networks,
Okay.
which are inspired by the structure of the human brain.
Oh, wow. So it's like mimicking the way that our brains work.
In a way, yeah, it's a very simplified model of the brain,
Okay.
but it's incredibly powerful.
And we're seeing the results of that, right?
Absolutely.
And we've got things like ChatGPT composing poems and Bard holding conversations.
It's mind-blowing.
It is, I mean, these are things that even a few years ago we would have thought were impossible.
Yeah, science fiction, but now it's reality.
But it's not just these kind of like flashy examples, right?
No, not at all.
AI is being used in so many different areas.
It's everywhere.
I mean, you mentioned healthcare earlier.
Yeah, so in healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs,
Okay.
to diagnose diseases more accurately,
Wow.
to personalize treatment plans.
It seems like the potential for AI in healthcare is just enormous.
Absolutely. I mean, it has the potential to really revolutionize the way that we deliver healthcare.
It really does. And then in finance.
Yeah, finance is another big one.
Right.
AI is being used to detect fraud,
Okay.
to manage investments,
Okay.
to assess risk.
And we're also seeing AI being used in things like self-driving cars
Right.
and delivery drones.
Absolutely.
Which are really starting to change the way that we live and move around.
Yeah, I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
A few years ago, the idea of a car driving itself would have seemed crazy,
Yeah.
but now it's becoming more and more commonplace.
And it's really AI that's driving that innovation. So the applications of AI are just expanding so rapidly.
Yeah, it seems like every day there's a new breakthrough.
Yeah. I mean, the potential is really vast.
It is.